For years, one question has followed Hyundai everywhere. Has the company finally solved the problems that haunted the Theta engine? After recalls affecting millions of vehicles, countless warranty claims, and years of customer frustration, Hyundai has spent more than a decade redesigning its engine technology. Now, as the 2027 model year arrives, the company is introducing another wave of engine improvements focused on reliability, durability, efficiency, and long-term ownership. But does this mean the infamous Theta engine problems are finally over? Let's take a closer look. The engine that changed Hyundai's reputation. The Theta family of four-cylinder engines helped transform Hyundai into a global competitor. Introduced in the mid-2000s, the engines powered some of the company's most popular vehicles, including the Sonata, Tucson, Santa Fe, Veloster, Kona, and several Kia models. On paper, the Theta engines looked impressive. They featured aluminum construction, direct fuel injection, turbocharging in performance applications, and competitive fuel economy. Buyers enjoyed strong horsepower while paying thousands less than comparable competitors. Unfortunately, reliability concerns eventually overshadowed those advantages. Over the following years, reports of engine failures began appearing across North America. Drivers described knocking noises, sudden loss of power, excessive oil consumption, and in some cases, complete engine seizure. Investigations later identified manufacturing defects involving metallic debris left inside engine blocks during production on certain Theta II engines. Those contaminants could restrict oil flow, accelerate bearing wear, and eventually destroy the engine. The result became one of Hyundai's largest quality challenges. Millions of vehicles were affected. Hyundai and Kia ultimately issued numerous recalls and service campaigns covering multiple Theta-powered models. Several model years of the Hyundai Sonata, Santa Fe, Tucson, Veloster, and Kia Optima, Sportage, and Sorento were included. Rather than representing a single problem, the Theta situation evolved through multiple updates addressing different concerns over time. These included connecting rod bearing wear, oil starvation, engine knocking, potential engine fires, ECU software updates, knock sensor detection system, KSDS, extended engine warranties, engine replacement programs. The company also agreed to major legal settlements in North America while expanding warranty coverage for many affected owners. For Hyundai, restoring consumer confidence became just as important as fixing the engines themselves. Hyundai didn't just repair the problem. Instead of applying temporary fixes, Hyundai gradually redesigned nearly every aspect of its modern gasoline engine lineup. Lessons learned from Theta influenced newer engine families, manufacturing procedures, quality inspections, and software calibration. The company invested heavily in improved machining precision, cleaner manufacturing processes, better oil passage inspection, enhanced quality control, more advanced engine monitoring, stronger durability testing, updated bearing materials, improved lubrication management. Rather than waiting for failures, newer control systems continuously monitor engine vibration and abnormal bearing wear. If unusual activity is detected, the engine management system can alert the driver before catastrophic damage occurs. That proactive approach represents one of Hyundai's biggest changes since the original Theta controversy. What is changing for 2027? The 2027 model year isn't introducing an entirely new Theta engine. Instead, Hyundai continues refining the engines that succeeded it while incorporating lessons learned from years of engineering improvements. Across Hyundai's latest gasoline engines, several priorities stand out. Better durability. Engine components continue receiving updates designed to reduce long-term wear. Improved bearing materials, revised oil flow management, stronger cooling performance, and tighter manufacturing tolerances all contribute to greater reliability. These changes aren't flashy, but they're exactly the kind of improvements owners appreciate after 100,000 miles. Smarter engine monitoring. Modern Hyundai engines contain significantly more diagnostic capability than earlier Theta models. Advanced sensors constantly monitor operating conditions including oil pressure, engine temperature, combustion quality, knock activity, fuel delivery, ignition timing, variable valve timing performance. If irregular behavior develops, onboard diagnostics can often identify potential issues much earlier than older systems. Improved thermal management. heat remains one of the biggest challenges for modern turbocharged engines. Hyundai continues refining cooling systems to better regulate combustion temperatures while maintaining efficiency. Improved coolant routing, optimized thermostat control, and more effective thermal management help reduce stress on engine components during demanding driving conditions. Cleaner combustion fuel injection strategies continue evolving. Updated calibration improves combustion stability while reducing emissions and carbon buildup. Although direct injection engines still require proper maintenance, newer systems better manage fuel delivery across varying operating conditions. The focus has shifted to Smartstream. While the Theta name became well known, Hyundai's newer vehicles increasingly rely on the Smartstream engine family. These engines incorporate many engineering lessons learned over the past decade. Depending on the model, Smartstream engines include technologies such as multi-port and direct injection combinations, continuously variable valve duration (CVVD), improved exhaust gas management, reduced internal friction, more efficient cooling systems, higher thermal efficiency. Rather than simply producing more horsepower, Hyundai has prioritized smoother operation, lower emissions, and improved long-term durability. Maintenance still matters. Even the best engineered engine depends on proper maintenance. Owners hoping to maximize engine life should continue following Hyundai's maintenance schedule, including regular oil changes using the recommended specification, genuine or high-quality oil filters, routine coolant inspections, air filter replacement, spark plug service, software updates when available, addressing warning lights immediately. Modern engines operate with extremely tight tolerances. Ignoring maintenance can shorten the lifespan of even the most advanced powertrain. Hyundai is also improving manufacturing. One of the biggest changes isn't inside the engine at all. It's inside Hyundai's factories. Following the Theta issues, Hyundai significantly strengthened manufacturing quality control procedures. Production now includes enhanced debris inspection, automated quality verification, improved machining consistency, more comprehensive engine testing, expanded traceability throughout production. These manufacturing improvements reduce the likelihood of the defects that contributed to earlier bearing failures. Consistency matters just as much as engineering. Should buyers still worry about Theta? For shoppers considering a new Hyundai, the situation today looks very different from a decade ago. Older Theta II engines generated the majority of reliability concerns and recalls. Newer Hyundai vehicles benefit from years of engineering revisions, updated production methods, enhanced diagnostics, and improved quality assurance. No manufacturer can promise a completely trouble-free engine, but Hyundai has clearly invested significant resources into addressing the weaknesses that damaged its reputation. Independent reliability will continue to be measured over hundreds of thousands of miles, yet the company's direction shows a clear emphasis on preventing the kinds of failures that once defined the Theta story. The bottom line: the phrase 2027 engine overhaul shouldn't be interpreted as Hyundai unveiling an all-new Theta engine. Instead, the 2027 model year reflects the culmination of years of continuous improvements inspired by the lessons learned from the Theta II era. Rather than relying on a single dramatic redesign, Hyundai has strengthened engine durability through better manufacturing, improved lubrication, smarter diagnostics, enhanced thermal management, and the widespread adoption of newer Smartstream engine technologies. For owners, that's arguably more important than a flashy headline. True reliability is built through countless engineering refinements, tighter quality control, and better long-term validation, not just a new engine name. The Theta controversy remains one of the most significant chapters in Hyundai's history, but it also accelerated meaningful changes across the company's entire powertrain strategy. As Hyundai moves into 2027, the focus is no longer on reacting to old problems. It's on building engines that earn back customer trust through consistent performance, improved durability, and years of dependable service.